Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu states that Hazrat Abu Musa reached Hazrat Umar's door and sought his permission. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, "It is once." He again sought the permission, and Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, "It is twice." He sought the permission for the third time, and Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, "It is thrice." Hazrat Abu Musa radiyallahu anhu then went back. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu sent someone after him, and he fetched him. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, "If you have memorized any hadith of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam in this connection, narrate it. Otherwise, I will award you a deterrent punishment." Hazrat Abu Sa'id radiyallahu anhu said, then Hazrat Abu Musa radiyallahu anhu came to us and said, "Do you not know that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, permission is sought thrice?" Hazrat Abu Sa'id radiyallahu anhu said, the people started laughing. I said, "Your Muslim brother has come to you while he has run into a difficulty, and you are laughing." I said, "Come on, I will stand by you in this difficulty." He then went to Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu and said, "This is Abu Sa'id, the witness." Sahih Muslim Hadees number 5594.